One bright and chilly evening, Elsa, the Snow Queen, was practicing her magic. She stood in a big, empty field, trying to control her powers with deep concentration. As she waved her hands, snowflakes danced in the air, twirling around her. But just then, a strong gust of wind caught her off guard. The wind swept through the field, and Elsa's magic spun out of control. She gasped as a sudden blast of icy air shot from her hands. The snowflakes quickly turned into a frosty mist that froze everything in its path. Elsa quickly waved her hands again, trying to stop it, but it was too late. Nearby, Cinderella's magical pumpkin carriage, shining bright with golden vines and sparkling wheels, had been caught in Elsa's blast. The pumpkin, once golden and glowing, was now completely frozen. Cinderella, who had been admiring the carriage, turned and screamed, "Oh no! My beautiful carriage! It's frozen!" she cried. She ran to Elsa, who was already rushing over, worried and apologetic. "I'm so sorry, Cinderella," Elsa said, her voice filled with regret. "I didn't mean to freeze your pumpkin. My magic got out of control." Cinderella took a deep breath. "It's okay, Elsa. I know you didn't do it on purpose. But we have to fix it before the ball tonight. The pumpkin is the only way for me to get to the royal palace. If it stays frozen, I'll never make it in time." Elsa thought for a moment. "We need to find a way to undo the spell before the ball. Let me try something." She raised her hands and tried to use her magic to melt the ice, but it wouldn't work. The ice was too thick and strong. Cinderella sighed. "We need something stronger than magic to break this ice." Just then, a small voice called from behind, "Maybe I can help." It was the Fairy Godmother, her wand glowing in the twilight. She fluttered over to the frozen pumpkin. "Elsa, I can see your magic has caused some trouble, but together we can fix this." Elsa nodded. "Please, Fairy Godmother, help us." The Fairy Godmother waved her wand and muttered a few words. The air around them sparkled, and suddenly, a warm breeze blew through the field. The ice around the pumpkin began to crack and melt, little by little. Elsa used her powers to help, creating small snowflakes that danced around the ice, pushing it away. With a final burst of light from the Fairy Godmother's wand, the pumpkin was free from the ice. It looked just as beautiful as before, glowing with golden vines and sparkling wheels. Cinderella gasped in delight. "It's perfect! Thank you, Elsa, and thank you, Fairy Godmother." Elsa smiled, relieved. "I'm so glad we could fix it in time." The Fairy Godmother smiled too. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of teamwork and magic from the heart. Cinderella climbed into the pumpkin carriage, her heart filled with happiness. "Now I can go to the ball. Thank you both so much." Elsa waved goodbye as Cinderella's carriage rolled away, the magic lights glowing brightly. "Have a wonderful time at the ball, Cinderella." As the carriage disappeared into the distance, Elsa smiled, knowing that true friendship could melt any kind of ice.